Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Apple Watch language without iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, if you press the icon once to see the watch face, click on settings. Then under settings, locate general, you discover there is no region and language option under general. And that's to tell you cannot change the Apple Watch language without your iPhone. So if you truly want to change your Apple Watch language, you need your iPhone. And let me walk you through how to do this. Just go ahead, drop your Apple Watch, and then grab your iPhone. So this must be the connected iPhone to your Apple Watch. Then go ahead and open the watch app. Once you open the watch app on your iPhone, click on General. Locate language and region, select that. Select custom, click on add language, and then select the language you want to change your Apple Watch to here. Once you select the choose that says you would like to use this particular language as your preferred language on your Apple Watch, click on yes use. Then drop your iPhone, should see your Apple Watch restarting. So this is going to restart your Apple Watch to the language you selected on the watch app. This might take a couple of minutes for this language to take effect. And once the language take effect, this is going to change the language on your Apple Watch. Now, you can go ahead, keep your iPhone, because once you select the language on your iPhone, the language is going to take place or take effect on your Apple Watch, and your Apple Watch language is going to set to it. Since your Apple Watch needs your iPhone to function, so some of the functions of the Apple Watch are on the iPhone. So if an Android user just got an Apple Watch, so he or she will need to get an iPhone to be able to get the best out of the Apple Watch. So go ahead, type in your PIN or passcode, press the digital crown once, and then it should say your Apple Watch language changed. You see that? So that's exactly how you can easily change Apple Watch language. So you cannot change Apple Watch language without an iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.